Welcome back to our channel, where we are exploring the inner working of various industries. Today we are taking you on an exciting journey inside a sausage factory and discuss the metallurgical process and care that goes into making the perfect sauces. So get ready to feast your eye and how those delicious food made from start to finish. The first step is creating a special sauces, is selecting only the finest ingredient. It began with this carefully choosing the high quality meat. Our factory people sources the high quality meat, that ensuring that every batch maintain its premium standard. Additionally, we priority working with the local farmers who raise their animal ethically and sustainable. Once the meat is ready, it's time to transfer in the perfect balance. This helps to achieve the desired constant texture of the sauces. Our sauces factory utilizes the industrial grade, which chop the meat into this final ground to achieve the desired taste and consistency. And adding the other ingredient like sauce, spicy, herbs and secret for family recipe were carefully added to enhance the flavor. Once grading has been complete, the meat transfer on the larger mixing area. The mixing process ensures that the ingredient balance perfectly. An experienced craftsman constantly monitors the mixing process. You have already seen our lovely sauces mixing process. Now time to go ahead. Now come the exciting part, catching and linking. The casing is extraordinary into the meat tube, ready to filled with delicious meat mixture. With incredible accuracy and skill, the factory worker expert to feed the meat mixture into this casing, creating the iconic sausage shape. Each sausage then linked by hand or by machine, and ensuring this perfect uniform appearance. Cooking the sauces to perfection is an art form we take great pride in. Our factory boosting the advanced cooking in the smoking chamber, where the sauces are expert to accuracy and control the temperature and time. This process enhances the sauces retain their freshness and flavor. Quality control is the most important in our sauces factory. Every batch undergoes a meticulous test to ensure that it meets our regular standard. Our dedicated team performs professionally to confirm ease of sauces, flavor, taste and appearance. Once it's approved, the sauce is packing usually hygienic packing and co-friendly material to ready to delivery to customer. As we come the end of our journey, it's clear that the art of sauces making goes beyond the simple production. Join us next time as we explore more charming food production process that happen behind the close of door. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel and update with our latest content. Thanks again.